Welcome to this guide on installing the Arnott front ride height sensors for the Audi A6 S6 and RS6 C7, the Audi A7 S7 and RS7 4G, and the Audi A8 and S8 D4. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly, and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle and removing the applicable front wheel. Then disconnect the level control sensor arm. Now disconnect the electrical connection. Next, remove the bracket bolt as well as the ride height sensor. The removal is now complete. Tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. To start the installation, install the new ride height sensor into the vehicle, positioning it in the same orientation as the previously removed sensor. Now reconnect the bracket and sensor arm bolts. Then reconnect the electrical connection to the new ride height sensor. Next, reinstall the applicable front wheel and lower the vehicle. Lastly, perform control position and headlamp adaptation following the manufacturer's specifications, and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on the Arnott front ride height sensors. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.